CrevCLI AI is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. And today I'm going to share with you 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. Whether you're new to the software or just wondering what it offers, stick around until the end, because I'll be covering some features that could completely transform your workflow. First off, CrevCLI is designed to revolutionize the way you interact with AI by making it far more accessible and intuitive. It's a command line interface software, which means you can integrate AI seamlessly into your daily tasks without needing a complicated setup. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of other AI tools, CrevCLI's simplicity is definitely going to stand out. One of the most impressive features of CrevCLI is its automation capabilities. It can handle everything from data processing to report generation with just a few commands. This means less time spent on manual tasks and more time focused on creative or strategic work. You'll be able to automate repetitive processes like sorting through emails, compiling customer data, and even running basic analytics, all done through simple command line entries. Another big selling point is CrevCLI's ability to integrate with your existing software tools. Whether you use Slack, Google Drive, or even custom business systems, this AI software connects with almost anything. If you're a digital marketer or a small business owner, you know how valuable it is to have tools that speak to each other. With CrevCLI, that's exactly what you get. An AI that fits seamlessly into your ecosystem, saving you from jumping between multiple applications. Performance is a major factor when evaluating AI tools, and CrevCLI doesn't disappoint. Despite its sleek, minimalistic interface, it's incredibly fast. It's built to handle large datasets and run complex algorithms in a fraction of the time it would take with other solutions. So, if you need something that can keep up with your growing business, this is a tool that scales well. Now let's talk about customization. Unlike many AI tools that lock you into their templates, CrevCLI allows you to build your commands and workflows according to your specific needs. This is a huge plus if you're working in a niche market or have unique processes that require a custom approach. The flexibility to adapt CrevCLI to your business can give you an edge over competitors relying on more rigid software. One of the key advantages CrevCLI offers is its community-driven support and updates. The developers are constantly improving the software, and since it's new, the team is really focused on listening to user feedback. This means you'll get regular updates, new features, and tweaks based on real user experience, something a lot of AI platforms can't boast. But don't just take my word for it. CrevCLI also has an intuitive learning curve. Even if you've never worked with command line interfaces before, the platform offers built-in tutorials and guides that will get you up and running quickly. No more fumbling through endless forums or hiring expensive experts to show you the ropes. Finally, I have to mention the price. If you're curious about trying it out, CrevCLI offers a completely free trial. This means you can test out all the features without committing to a subscription, which is great if you're on the fence or just want to experiment with the software first. You can access that free trial through the first link below. So there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about CrevCLI AI. If you're in the market for a smart, fast, and highly customizable AI tool that integrates seamlessly into your existing systems, this is definitely one you'll want to check out. And remember, if you've tried hundreds of AI tools and want to see the ones I recommend, I've left a list in the description with free trials for some of the best ones available right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.